If you need to add users in Bluehost, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can invite the right person and give them the correct permissions without any confusion. Whether you're bringing in a team member, a developer, a client, or someone who helps manage your website, Bluehost makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account using your regular credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top area and click your profile or account icon. This is usually where Bluehost keeps account-related settings, billing options, and user access controls. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the dashboard carefully because Bluehost layouts can change slightly depending on the account type or updates to the interface. After clicking the account icon, look for a section labeled Account Users or simply Users. This is the area where Bluehost lets you manage who has access to your account. Once you open it, you should see options related to existing users and the ability to add someone new. Now click Add User or Invite User depending on the wording shown on your screen. Bluehost may use slightly different labels, but the process is the same. Next, you'll need to enter the user's name and email address. Make sure the email is typed correctly because this is where Bluehost will send the invitation. If the address is wrong, the user won't be able to accept it and you'll have to repeat the process. Take a second to double check everything before moving on. Now comes an important step, choosing the right role or permissions. This determines what the user can do inside your Bluehost account. For example, you may want someone to manage websites, handle technical settings, or only view certain information. Be careful here, because giving too much access can create security issues, while giving too little access may prevent the user from doing their job properly. Review the available permissions slowly and select the one that matches your needs. Once the role is selected, review the permissions one more time before sending the invitation. This is your chance to catch anything that looks off before access is granted. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. Bluehost will then email the invite to the user you added. At this point, the user will need to open their email and accept the invitation. They may be asked to create a Bluehost account or log in if they already have one. Once they complete that step, they'll gain access based on the permissions you assigned. That means they can start working right away without you having to manually share passwords or go back and forth with login details. And that's it. You've now learned how to add users in Bluehost the easy way. This is a really useful feature if you work with a team, manage client websites, or just want to delegate tasks more safely. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.